Here at Chopper Direct, we have these screens that we provide to the different retail spaces, grocery stores and retail in general. These are different sizes. This is just one side. We have all kind of formats, are mostly indoor. It can be hanging in the ceiling and the walls and the windows. All of these, what is important is that we are powered by our cloud system, our platform that can manage all the content in all the volume that is required, how frequent, with the frequency that is required, especially for demanding retail like grocery stores. They want to communicate for the customer very frequently, prices, changes in prices. All the system is connected to our ecosystem, so it doesn't work alone. Any offering that is connected to the rest of the ecosystem we provide is reflected here. So customers are always engaged in what is going on in the supermarket. Helps also to keep the customer informed and to reinforce the brand of the store. All retail places, independent stores, especially size like a grocery store, they don't have the time to manage in a granular way all the content that they have. Their offering is so wide, prices change so quickly, offers comes and goes out very quickly. So everything is scheduled in our system. So the customer is informed, and we can take the information from the supermarket in a very easy format, and we can just push it in our system, can create all of this imaging, so we can provide this top quality communication to the retail, to the shopper. We have basically a team that is monitoring, is the technical team, and also the marketing team that is always curing all the system. But we have additional tools like AI, and we have also other monitoring systems that help us to make sure that all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, everything is working. All the skills we can detect if something is happening with a screen, so we can address the problem. And also we know what is the schedule, what is displaying every screen across the country. In some cases, when the demand of frequency is important, our system can handle several price changes through the week. And it can be an offering of 20 products, 50 products. In reality, we don't have limit on this. So because everything is pushed through the system, and through the system with parameters of schedule, it just displays all the content. For those stores that have more screens, the amount of pricing and the content, it can be bigger. The manager can send us the list of the prices, the list of even the SKUs, the products, and the pricing, and we just create all the lineup, the program, the pricing for that store, and it's scheduled for that. It's very easy to do that. Sometimes some retail places they send us the weekly ads, and he just said us, please send this product and that one, or give us the liberty to think by themselves for us in their behalf. So we choose from the main page some random. So we have different ways to work, and we specialize in making the life easy for the manager. Everything is managed from our marketing system, so it can broadcast to all the screens, different for retail that have multiple stores. It can send the same message, the same promotion to all of them at the same time, or it can be selective depending on the location or the address. It can have different pricing, and it can be, for example, different sequence also. So everything is centralized program, and is gonna send to all the multi-store places. We have created a process that makes the adoption and the installation from the sales order to the installation very quickly and easy. It takes sometimes, depending on the project, we basically take some information, assess where we advise the customer where it's gonna be the best place to place them. We get their information, and the installation is very easy. It doesn't demand any additional adequations in the place. We have deployed them with great success. And as I mentioned at the beginning, we have this integrated with all the offering that is displayed in the mobile app, that is displayed in the kiosk with the customers signing for the loyalty program. So it gives a coherence, the look and feel with the website. So it creates an engagement. The customer is going to see what it says in other places. You're going to see here because everything is synchronized. We have different ways to connect the system to our cloud servers. So basically, it can use Wi-Fi is the most preferred communication. And when there is a demand of using a physical cable within the store, we have all this equipment is available with all these communications ports. The way we ingest all that content, it can be in either way. It can be so basic as the retail send us what is the concept, and we develop everything from scratch. We have a huge library of images and videos. We can create new ones, or we can take the information, the media that is provided by the retail place. Sometimes the retailers have their providers, so we can take that information also and put it in our system. This is just one side. The system is so flexible that it can have different sizes and aspect ratio. It can be vertical, rectangular. It can be landscape. It can be as well as the retail place requires, or it can be even a stripe. We can configure this because it's model. It can be a kind of a stripe with movement animation, so it catches the attention. It depends on the retail place and the customers that visit the place. Grocery stores, they need to communicate all the time to the customer what is going on. If you have seen in retail, in grocery stores, they use a lot of paper to communicate. Customers have to replace paper poster that is high maintenance work. So having these screens to solve the problem. These screens across the store can make that job. Imagine this in one place, but it's not just one image the whole week. It are several images, so it replaces that labor that at the end is a lot of work. So reduces the amount of hours invested, and it gives you it multiplies the communication they provide and on time to the customer. We have good inventory in our warehouses here in Sunrise, so implementations can be very quickly. Depends more in the helping the retail place to know what they need and assessing what are the needs and visiting the place. But we can, within a couple of weeks, we can have this installed. Any order, we assemble here in Sunrise. We have our customer support is available in an omni-channel customer support tool. So it can be, retail places, the managers can contact us through to WhatsApp, to text message. You can open a ticket, send in an email. You can go to our website and just jump in a chat. We have a customer support chat that is in our website. So we provide different ways, and every goes to the same team. Basically, what we see here, this is what is called, this is just one cabinet that is a module, and we can from here add more models and make different shades. But the most important thing is that we don't stop there. Basically, we can adapt because we have everything here in United States. We assemble everything here locally, so we can adapt to any format. So we are not restricted to this. We adapt to the customer needs. And basically, we don't have that limitation.